Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today, I'll show you how to use the ROUNDUP function in Google Sheets. This forces numbers to always round up, no matter what. Here is our sample data. Let's start off with a basic roundup formula. In B1, type rounded. In B2, enter, equals, roundup, open parenthesis. A2, 0, close parenthesis. Press enter and drag down. What this does: a 2 equals number, 0 equals round to whole number. Results. Even 7.01 becomes 8. It always rounds up. Want to round up to 2 decimal places. Change 1 in the formula to 2. In our example, 4.213 becomes 4.22. Round up to tens or hundreds. To round up to the nearest 10, now change the 2 now to a -1. To round up to the nearest 100, -2. Now, in our example, 84 becomes 90. 184 becomes 200. A important note: ROUNDUP ignores normal rounding rules. Even 4.01 becomes 5. 4.99 becomes 5. It never rounds down. When to use ROUNDUP: pricing calculations, tax calculations, quantity requirements, always rounding customer charges up. Difference between round versus roundup. Round rounds normally, up or down. Roundup forces upward rounding only. That's how you use ROUNDUP in Google Sheets. Formula is in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.